Thank you for choosing our RSN series strong oxide welding machine. Operation manual. Preparations. 1. Fasten the ground clamp to the welding piece. Be sure that the welding piece without any rust. Step 2. Insert control cable plug into the control socket and screw clockwise. Fix the welding cable to the welding machine and the gong. Insert the black plug into the black socket and screw clockwise. Then fix the other end to the gong socket. And screw clockwise. And then fasten the ground cable plug into the red socket and screw clockwise and confirm it is formed. Connect 3-phase power cable to the power source. Confirm the connects are formed and cover the cap, and then connect the ground wire to the machine. clockwise. Other end to the ground. Okay. And reconfirm all connections. Be fixed firmly. Then adjust the welding gun. Fix the support leg. Go clockwise. To pull out. Confirm the protrusion length. For example, the weld diameter 19 mm shear set, the protrusion will be 3 to 3.5 mm, and then cover out the rear gap. To adjust the total length movement. We adjust the total movement length as about 8 millimeters. $8 is total movement length. Protrusion is 3 millimeters. Then the lift length is 5 millimeters. And then turn on the power switch. Okay. Connect the power source and turn on the power switch. Then the power indicator light fan rotates. Turn the functional switch to the manual welding. Turn the current knob counterclockwise to 0. The voltage is in accordance to the no-load voltage in the data plate on the machine. About 80 voltage. If the no-load voltage is only one-third of the required no-load voltage, turn off the power, exchange any two-phase of the power cable until no-load voltage be normal. Then turn the functional switch to start welding, holding the welding gun and press the trigger to air. the gong electromagnet pull and release. Turn the welding time knob counterclockwise to 0. The pull and release time is shortest. Turn the welding time knob clockwise to max. The gong, pull, and release time is max. Operating. Insert the welding studs into the chuck. Fix the ceramic barrier. Place. Operating. Insert the welding studs into the chuck. Fix the ceramic barrier. Place the prepared gong on the welding piece so that the whole basis of the ceramic barrier touches the surface of the welding piece. In so doing, the piston pushes back by the length of the protrusion and the tension spring is tightened. Now press the trigger holding the gong still during the welding until the welding pole has cooled down. Then lift out the gong from the weld stud. Keep it straight and by turning it clockwise. If it is not lifted straight, this may open out the sweeping jaws of the chuck and prevent the sufficiently tight grip on the next stud.